Are you ready to know the secret of building monetizable faceless channel with AI? This is making about $26,000 per month, and this is making about $10,000 a month. To be honest, it's hard and boring to create the videos one by one using video editing tools. But today, in this video, I will teach you how to make any number of videos by the help of AI by one click. All what you will need for today's tutorial are ChatGPT and Canva. If you look at these channels, you will find that they get many views day by day. And the advantage of this content is most of the viewers watching it like to comment and say the correct answer of the riddles. Now you ask yourself, is this type of content really monetizable? To make sure of any channel is monetizable or not, go to the channel and copy its link, then go to Google and search for "Is my channel monetized?" Now paste the link and it will show if the channel is monetized or not. Now let's dress the elephant in the room. Step 1. Let's get the riddles, or whatever you will work on, riddles or psychology facts or even animals facts. I just give you the keys. We will go to ChatGPT and ask it to create any number of riddles we need. If you ask him to write the riddles normally, this will be the result. But in our case, I will tell you what is the prompt we will use. Don't worry, I will leave this prompt in the video description below. Let ChatGPT generate. It would be the result. But tell him to regenerate using the table format. Now it's the result. Now ask him to generate the number you need, for example. I will ask him to generate 800 riddles. It's done and OK. After generating the data, select all the riddles like this and go to Google Sheets. Open a new document and hit Ctrl+V to paste. Now expand your data like this and delete the extra long riddles. Step 2. You will do a simple task. Just one click will help me providing a lot of information and tricks. Hold your mouse and click on subscribe button. Step 3. Let's move to Canva. Go to Create Design and adjust the aspect ratio to be 1920 height and 1080 width. Go to Elements and search for any type of motion you like to be in the background of your video. If the background seems to be too bright, add a black overlayer then adjust its opacity to about 40. Now copy the text from the first column and paste it at Canva. Adjust the text size, color, and font style. Let's put a text background. Select the square shape, drag it like this, and put it behind the text. Go to the sheets and copy the next riddle text. Now paste it on Canva and adjust it like the previous one. Adding a picture to illustrate what's inside the video will make your video great. Add a pointing up picture and remove its background. Let's also add some motion and make animations in the video to make it engaging. Apply the animations to every element in the video to make your edit different and cool. Hit right-click and select Show Timing. It will help us to make this character pop up and fade out. Now let's go back and copy the next text of the riddle. Place it here and click on Effects to add a suitable background. Don't forget to add animation to this text too. Adjust the timing to be cool. Now let's take the choices from the sheet. Copy the previous text and paste it again. Ctrl-C will copy and Ctrl-V will paste. Write down the choices. Don't forget to adjust the timing to make sure the next elements appear once the previous ones disappear. To keep viewers engaged, add animation to these choices too. Now let's add a timer or a loading bar to increase the engagement and excitement. Choose anyone you like. And now take the last piece of text of the riddle and add it as an answer as the following. And now it's the result. Something is missing? Yeah, music. There may be a problem using the music of Canva due to copyrights. So, we will need to get music from YouTube Audio Library. It's for free and without copyright claims. After choosing the suitable music for your video, upload it here. At the end, I will add final element before I reveal the final video result, and before telling you how to turn it into 800 video. So, hear what our short video appears like now. Step 4. We will go to the bulk creation and tell you how to automate the 800 video shorts. Scroll down and click on Apps. In the search bar, look for Bulk Create. Click here, click on Enter Data manually. Click on Clear Table. Go to the sheets and select 30 rows in addition to the titles. Then click here and paste them by Ctrl+V. Now focus on the next crucial step. Right-click on the title and select Connect Data. We will connect each point to its respective text element in the video, and very soon you will know why. For example, if this is the body text, you will choose Body from the Connecting Data list. After connecting all texts to their corresponding data elements, they will appear ticked exactly like this. Then click Continue and click Generate. After blinking your eyes, you will have 30 video shorts ready for you. Do you think it's the end? Definitely no. We will make every 30 videos different from the other, changing the background motion and changing the text's backgrounds as well. To download your videos, go to Share, and make sure that Download Pages as separate files is selected. In the end, don't forget to hit like to this video and post your awesome comment that will encourage me continue my content. Thank you for watching, and wait me for new great ideas.